Okay, we're here at JTech today and we're talking about parasitic drain. Maybe something like when you're
I only need a few things on the scoreboard.
when you get out, you go to the grocery store, you get out and you come back to the battery drain. Can't start it. Something keeps draining the battery. Something inside is staying on. Maybe a short to power, a short to ground. And today we're going to talk about how to test to see how much amperage is being robbed from wherever the short is. On the meter, you're gonna have to know how to set the meter up. If not, you can blow the fuse, or you can damage something else. So the meter here, you got voltage. Where that V is, that voltage, and you can use voltage on the post, and you can check the battery for how many volts it has. A good battery should have 12.6. And you'll put your positive on your positive lead, your negative on your negative post. You check for voltage. Here you got this little horseshoe looking sign. Here you got resistance. That's for if you want to check something, see a complete circuit. Maybe it might be to check to see if something it might have too high of resistance, or you want to make sure maybe the relay is working correctly. It's got a complete circuit, complete path. Then here we have at the bottom you got amps, 20 amps. And that's what we'll be using to check the parasitic drain. We're checking for current flow with the amperage. So what I want to do, so let's say the battery keeps dying. What I'm going to do is disconnect the post, and I'm going to make a path with the meter, and I'm going to measure how much current flow is going through it. So if I touch the post here, you see the meter, I'll move this way. It's 0.02, and that's good. That means there's really, you're gonna have a little bit for your PCM in the car, your memory, your radio stations will always draw a little bit. But now let's say if we turn on the light, maybe Joe, maybe you can help me with it.
I can do that for you. I got you. You got it? Oh, there you go.
And you can see now we're drawing a half an amp with the light on inside. So what I'm doing is replicating a short circuit, maybe two wires touching, or a short to power somewhere in the car, short circuit in the somewhere in the circuit, and that's what I'm doing is replicating that as if the light were to be staying on, or if it were to be something else that were draining the battery when you turn the car off. So if you see, you should never have a half an amp like that. So when we turned the light on, it was drawing half an amp. Without the light, it was drawing 0.03. So now we turn the light off, and we can see that the load, the parasitic load, has gone away. So let's say I didn't know where the parasitic drain was actually coming from. What I can do is check my current flow here, and at the same time pull fuses one at a time. Get a schematic diagram and pull fuses one at a time to try and isolate whatever. When you pull that fuse and that drain goes away, now you know what circuit to start looking for. And that's basically a little bit on meter usage and parasitic drain.